Someone who decides to put rooftop solar or someone who decides to buy an electric car, the amount of effect it has on the local grid is suddenly very much amplified than it used to be before, because these are huge appliances, and the way algorithms have been used to do long-term forecasting or even short-term forecasting, they no longer work, because now energy is actually flowing both ways. So you have to account for that, and the effect that you see could actually be different in different local geographies. So you see this all the time. There are certain neighborhoods that have a much higher penetration of solar and EVs. The way you would forecast load on that specific substation or transformer would be very different, and you cannot again take the one-size-fits-all kind of a solution where I am just doing the same kind of forecasting across my entire population, because fundamentally people have started behaving differently and you need to factor all that in. So the only way to do that in an effective way is use granular data at a home level, do forecasting, and then basically build it up to transformer substation level, and that will give you a much clearer picture of what's going on.